Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know I missed a couple of days of this series and you know life happens. I ordered some palettes from Wet n Wild and it's 2 weeks later and I'm still waiting on them palettes, y'all. And shipping is just not even updated. Luckily Ulta is having a sale, so I was able to run up in there and get this NYX Sugar Trip Squad eyeshadow palette. It was on sale for $10, so it's still on sale right now if you guys are interested. So this palette has 12 very bright, beautiful shades, so I think for $10 it's definitely worth the money. This collection kind of just reminds me of Wreck-It Ralph, the Candyland game from the arcade. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so if y'all are ready to see how I got this look using this palette, make sure you continue to watch. Okay, so I don't see any shadow names on this eyeshadow palette, so I'm just gonna like point to the colors per usual. I'm going in with my Morphe M441 brush into this very pretty light purple shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my transition zone. Next, taking this Morphe M503 brush, I'm going to dip into the deeper purple shade on the opposite end of the palette right here. And I'm going to put that all in my crease and on this outer V. Back with my M441 brush, I'm going back into that lighter purple and I'm just going to blend out the darker purple. With a flat shadow brush, I'm using the Morphe M124 brush. I'm going to go into this like periwinkle purple color. It's right here. And I'm just going to place that all over the lid. With my Morphe M503, I'm going to dip back into that deeper purple shade and put that on the lower lash line, but I'm only taking like a really little bit. So now to finish off this look, I'm going to be using this Milk Kush mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I'm also going to line my lower lash line with the Morphe Oh Brow Baby. And then I'm going to pop on an Ardell Wispy lash. And I'll come back with the final look. Oh, and I also forgot that I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liner too. Okay guys, so here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another 31 days of eyeshadow palettes. Again, I'm so sorry about the couple of missed days. Yeah, I'm gonna do better in 2019, I promise. So you already know what to do. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave me comments down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be reminded each time that I post. And with that, you guys, I will see you tomorrow.